Clay, Fayette, Cutoff, Lincoln, Nicholas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage.
We can to see him.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
He essentially admitted that the U.S. economy could
Now, for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Greater Charleston area, issued at 5:36 p.m. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A surface shower.
Thank you.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 404, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in West Virginia: Boone, Cattle, Clay, Fayette, Cunoff, Lincoln, Nicholas, Putnam, and Raleigh. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets.
As the BRICS summit opens, China's President Xi Jinping has slammed sanctions.
With truth. It gets
10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. 10 miles an hour.
What radios?
Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s.
Oh.
Friday night, mostly clear. Thank you.